Welcome to math for fourth grade, and this is Monday. And so this is lesson 150, and we are looking at a review page, so 271 and 272. So we don't have a whole lot I don't have a lot to say, but we are going to review the temperature or the thermometer and our shapes, and so hopefully you are ready for that. And then I'll let you know what I want you to do on these pages, because there is quite a bit on a review page. So I will, I'll give you, you can do all of it, but I'll say what I would like you to do. And so if you need the extra practice, or if you want to do it all, you can, but there's only so much that on this that I'll require. So, all right. So while we are, Before I let you take your speed drill, we're going to review some of our shapes and using the thermometer. Okay, so I have up here, and if you can't really see, maybe in the when it moves, this is a paper clip here. But I'll hold my finger there. And so if I move this and I set it to about there, okay. Let's see if I can get you a little bit closer to read those numbers. Oh yeah, that's better on the numbers. Okay, so the paper clip's right here. What would be the closest degree for Fahrenheit? 50 degrees, very good. So on the other side, what is it about, how many degrees Celsius is it? 10 degrees, right? It's not exactly, but it's closest to the 10 degree mark. Okay, all right. So if I move it back up, and we have it about there, what degree would it be Fahrenheit? So it would be about 65 degrees. It's in between. And then on the other side, if 65, it's going to be about 18 degrees Celsius. I don't have a for sure number on that one. It's close to it. So, but we'll leave that. Over here are the geometric shapes. Remember, the circle is a closed curve with no point of intersection, okay? So closed curve with no point of intersection. A parallelogram is a parallel, the opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel. So the top and the bottom are parallel, right? They're gonna run. And then these two, the two sides are parallel, okay? A square is a rectangle with 4 equal sides. A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides. Then you got your triangle, polygon with 3 sides, and trapezoid, only 2 sides are parallel. The other 2 would intersect at some point, okay? All right, so that's a review on our geometric shapes. I'm gonna let you go ahead and pause and take your speed drill. You have a minute for lesson 150 speed drill. And then when you come back, we will look at your page. All right, I hope you did well on that speed drill if you have taken it. And we are I'm gonna just show you what I want you to do on this page. There's, on the first page of the general review, all of number 1, because it's just giving the shape. We just went over those, so you shouldn't have any trouble with those. 2 is matching, so go ahead and do all of those, and just pay attention to what it is. what the I'm sorry, I lost it. What the line or the point or angles, what it's at. That one. Okay, number 3 is just doing the temperature, so go ahead and do those. Don't forget to label for degrees C or F, so Celsius or Fahrenheit. Okay, and then for these 2 problems, I'm going to have you do both of them because one is about giving back change and the other one has to do with our with inches. So I'm going to have you do both, and then we'll see. If you're having trouble with that, you can always ask, and we can get that for you. So if you turn the page over, section 5, I want you to pick 4 of them. Okay, so you're doing half of them. Section 6, you only have to do 1. Okay, you can pick your 1. 7 and 8 are not very long. 7 only has 2 problems, so I want you to do both of those. You're circling the hottest temperature in each row, so you have to see, okay, you've got Celsius and Fahrenheit in there, and so I want you to see which one would be hotter, okay, which would be the hottest, and think about, compare it to what you know, the like 212 degrees is equal, Fahrenheit is equal to 100 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 0 degrees Celsius, and 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 37 degrees Celsius. So use those to help you know which one's the hottest. And then 8 is circling the largest measure in each row. So just, there's 4 in each, I believe. And so you just pick the biggest one, okay? And then there is the homework section. And on this one, since I'm having you do quite a bit on the other sections, I would like you to, okay, so get your pencil ready and circle these. I want you to do A and C and F. A, C, and F on section 9, and then go ahead and pick 2 of them for section 10 to do. Make sure that you are reducing your fractions to the lowest terms, because that even if you have a fraction, like say it's 2/4, if you haven't reduced it to 1/2, I'll give you partial credit for that on a quiz or a test, but you do have a test coming up, so make sure that you're reducing it all the way, and use your canceling with those to help you, so you can see, okay, 2 and 4, I can take 2 into both of those, right? So that would be a way to cancel, okay? All right, I'm gonna let you get to it, and we'll see you in the next lesson.